How to reset team on FPL. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are wondering if you can reset your team on the Fantasy Premier League, then in this video I will guide you on how you can do that. Now, if you want to completely reset your team on FPL, you will actually have to delete your current FPL account and create a new one. So that's the only way on how you can reset your team. So if you want to do that, you cannot do this on the PL app itself. So you want to open up any web browser and head over to fantasy.premierleague.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, tap on the points section. Now you want to scroll down and get to the admin section. Tap on user profile option. Scroll down and you have the option of delete your account. This is going to permanently delete your Premier League account, including your Fantasy Premier League account. Go ahead and tap on the delete your account option. Now you will have to enter your password and tap on the confirm password option. After that, here on this page, you want to tap on the confirm option. Once you tap on confirm, your account will be removed in 21 days permanently. If you want to cancel the deletion, you actually have to log into your account before 21 days. Now, once your account has been permanently deleted, all you have to do is head over to the sign in page of the Fantasy Premier League, and then you want to create a new account. So for that, tap on this register option. Now, in order to create a new account, you will have to enter your personal details such as first name, last name, email address, create a password, select your gender, date of birth, country, region, and enter your mobile number and tap on the next option. Then, you want to simply follow the on-screen prompts and your new account will be created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.